Did you know that adaptogens have been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years? Would you believe that researchers have identified more than 70 plants with adaptogenic properties? Are you aware that modern science has confirmed these herbs can help your body manage stress? If you're looking to age gracefully while supporting your body's stress response, this video will reveal evidence-based information about adaptogens that can make a real difference in your life. Stay until the end to discover how to properly combine these beneficial herbs and learn about the optimal timing for consumption based on clinical studies. What makes these super herbs different from others? Adaptogens represent a unique class of healing plants that help your body resist physical and emotional stress. While most herbs have specific functions, adaptogens work differently. They actually adapt their function according to your body's needs. A groundbreaking review in the journal Pharmaceuticals 2020 revealed that these remarkable plants work through the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, your body's stress response system. Think of adaptogens as your body's stress thermostat. When stress hormones are too high, they help lower them. But when you're fatigued, they help energize you. The journal Alternative and Complementary Medicine published research showing that adaptogens must meet 3 scientific criteria. They must be generally safe, help manage stress, and support overall wellness. While adaptogens generally have a lower risk of dependency compared to stimulants like caffeine, more long-term studies are needed. Therefore, it's recommended to take periodic breaks from adaptogen use and consult healthcare providers about long-term consumption. How does your body transform under adaptogenic power? When stress hits, your body goes through a complex cascade of hormonal changes that adaptogens can help regulate. Research published in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy explain how these herbs activate what scientists call stress protective response systems. When you consume adaptogens, they trigger the production of stress protective molecules and heat shock proteins, which help your cells handle stress better. A fascinating study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine found that adaptogens can regulate neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, working as a natural stress buffer. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional anti-stress supplements that often mask symptoms, adaptogens help your body build resilience over time. Swedish researchers discovered that these herbs can help prevent stress-related cellular damage and support cellular energy production. Therefore, while immediate effects might be subtle, regular use helps your body develop a stronger stress response system naturally. However, it's crucial to maintain consistent use for 2 to 3 weeks to see optimal results. Which powerful herb gives superhuman energy levels? Rhodiola rosea, growing in the harsh Arctic regions of Europe and Asia, has earned significant scientific attention for its energy-enhancing properties. Research published in the Journal of Sport and Health Science demonstrates how this adaptogen helps combat both mental and physical fatigue by increasing ATP production in your cells. A groundbreaking study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that people taking 400 milligrams of rhodiola daily showed improved energy levels and mental performance within just 4 weeks. But what makes this herb truly remarkable is its ability to help your body utilize oxygen more efficiently. Scientists at the Swedish Herbal Institute discovered that rhodiola helps reduce exercise recovery time by 30%. Therefore, while it's excellent for energy, timing matters. Experts recommend taking it early in the day to avoid potential sleep interference. Start with 200 milligrams and gradually increase to 400 milligrams daily if needed. However, people taking antidepressants or blood pressure medications should consult their healthcare provider first, as rhodiola may interact with these medications. Want to sleep better? This root has the answer. Ashwagandha, the ancient sleep-supporting adaptogen, has gained substantial scientific validation for its calming effects. The Journal of Ethnopharmacology published research showing that the root's active compounds, particularly triethylene glycol, may promote sleep quality naturally. A 2023 double-blind study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine revealed that participants taking 300 milligrams of ashwagandha extract showed significant improvements in sleep efficiency and sleep onset time compared to placebo. But what makes this root notable is its multifaceted action on sleep parameters. Modern research from Sleep Medicine Reviews indicates that ashwagandha may help improve both sleep quality and daytime alertness, though individual results can vary. Therefore, unlike conventional sleep aids, many users report no morning grogginess. The optimal dosage ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams, taken 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, preferably with food. However, those with nightshade sensitivities or thyroid conditions should consult their healthcare provider, as ashwagandha may affect thyroid hormone levels. Can this berry make your brain 10 years younger? Schisandra chinensis, known as the five-flavor berry in traditional Chinese medicine, has shown promising effects on cognitive function. The Journal of Neuroscience Research published findings showing that Schisandra's lignans may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which can affect cognitive health with age. A clinical study in Aging and Disease revealed that participants aged 45 to 65 taking 500 milligrams of Schisandra extract daily demonstrated improvements in memory and concentration tests after 12 weeks. But what makes this berry particularly interesting is its dual action potential. Research from the Korean Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology indicates it may support healthy liver function, which plays a role in overall wellness. Therefore, while more research is needed, current evidence suggests multiple potential benefits. The recommended approach is to start with 250 milligrams twice daily with meals, gradually increasing to 500 milligrams if well tolerated. However, those taking medications should consult their healthcare provider first, as Schisandra may affect how certain medications are processed in the liver. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Which sacred mushroom boosts your immune system? Reishi mushroom, revered as the mushroom of immortality in Asian medicine, has earned solid scientific backing for immune support. The Journal of Pharmacological Sciences published research demonstrating how reishi's beta-glucans enhance natural killer cell activity, crucial for immune defense after age 40. A comprehensive study in mediators of inflammation found that participants taking 1,800 milligrams of reishi extract daily showed a 28% increase in T-cell function after 30 days. But what's truly remarkable is reishi's adaptogenic effect on the immune system. It can both stimulate and calm immune responses as needed. Recent findings from the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms reveal its unique ability to reduce inflammatory markers while supporting overall immunity. Therefore, unlike conventional immune boosters, it helps achieve immune balance rather than just stimulation. For optimal results, experts recommend 1,000 to 1,800 milligrams daily, preferably with vitamin C for enhanced absorption. However, those on blood thinners or with bleeding disorders should exercise caution, as reishi may have mild blood thinning effects. Are you missing this stress-fighting root? Holy basil, tulsi, a sacred plant in Ayurvedic tradition, shows remarkable stress-reducing properties backed by modern science. Research in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine demonstrates how this adaptogenic root significantly reduces cortisol levels and anxiety symptoms in adults over 40. A groundbreaking study in evidence-based complementary medicine revealed that participants taking 600 milligrams of holy basil extract experienced a 31.6% decrease in general stress symptoms within 6 weeks. But what makes holy basil unique is its powerful combination of eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and carnosic acid, compounds that protect your cells from stress-induced damage. Clinical findings from phytotherapy research show it helps maintain healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels already within normal range. Therefore, unlike temporary stress relievers, holy basil offers comprehensive support for long-term stress resilience. The recommended protocol is 300 to 600 milligrams twice daily after meals. However, those planning surgery should discontinue use 2 weeks before, as holy basil may affect blood clotting time. Which adaptogen is best for your hormones? Maca root, cultivated in the high Andes of Peru, has been studied for its potential effects on hormone-related well-being. The journal Evidence-Based Complementary Medicine published research showing how maca may help support hormone-related symptoms without containing hormones itself. A 12-week clinical study in the International Journal of Biomedical Science found that participants taking 2,100 milligrams of maca powder daily reported improvements in energy levels and mood. But what sets maca apart is its adaptogenic properties studied in both men and women. Recent findings from menopause. The Journal of the North American Menopause Society indicate it may help reduce common menopausal discomfort compared to placebo, though individual results vary. Therefore, unlike hormone supplements, maca appears to work through supporting overall endocrine function. The typical approach is starting with 1,500 milligrams daily, taken with breakfast, gradually increasing to 2,100 milligrams if needed. However, those with thyroid conditions should consult their healthcare provider first, as maca contains naturally occurring iodine. What's the secret to combining these power herbs? Understanding how to combine adaptogens safely comes from both traditional practices and modern research. Studies in the Journal of Natural Products suggest that certain adaptogen combinations may work complementarily. Research published in Phytomedicine International indicates that combining adaptogens should be done systematically to observe individual responses. Traditional usage and preliminary studies suggest energizing adaptogens like Rhodiola may be better suited for morning use, while calming ones like Ashwagandha are often taken in the evening. Therefore, experts recommend a careful approach. Start with one adaptogen for 2 weeks before considering adding another, allowing time to observe your body's response. A practical method is to choose one adaptogen initially, then gradually incorporate others based on your specific needs and responses. However, those taking any medications should work with their healthcare provider before combining multiple adaptogens, as interactions may occur. Why timing changes everything with adaptogens? Recent chronobiology research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology reveals how timing significantly impacts adaptogenic herbs' effectiveness. A pioneering study in Advances in Integrative Medicine found that adapting supplement timing to your body's natural cortisol rhythm can increase effectiveness by up to 45%. But here's an expert tip most people miss. Taking adaptogens with healthy fats increases their absorption by 60%, according to research in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Spacing adaptogen doses 4 hours apart from medications also ensures optimal absorption of both. Another game-changing strategy involves cycling your adaptogens. Taking them for 6 weeks, then pausing for 2 weeks helps maintain their effectiveness. Therefore, creating a monthly calendar for your adaptogen routine can be transformative. For enhanced results, try this advanced technique. On high-stress days, divide your daily dose into 3 smaller portions instead of taking it all at once. However, remember to reduce dosages during low-stress periods and vacations, as adaptogens work best when matched to your stress levels. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Discover science-backed berry secrets for a sharper mind. Transform your brain health with these proven methods. Let's watch the next video here.